Odisha police on Tuesday busted an illegal cough syrup trafficking operation during a targeted raid in the Judapalli area of Bolangir district. Acting on specific intelligence inputs, police intercepted a moving consignment and seized 50 bottles of prohibited cough syrup. Patnagar SDPO Sadanand Pujari said the operation was conducted under the SP's directions after late night inputs. Police seized 50 bottles of cough syrup along with a motorcycle used for transport and 2 mobile phones. 3 people were arrested on the spot.
गतकाली इनफॉरमेशन मिलला कि चूड़ापल्ली कफ सिरप नहीं दुईटा पिला आसन गाड़ी में एसपी डायरेक्शन गोटे टीम फॉर्म कर इंटरसेप्ट करूँ गोटे हीरो होंडा साइन गाड़ी रखाई से चेक कलु 50टा एस्कॉप कफ सिरप.
The arrested accused were identified as Subhash Meher of Patnagar, Bhaban Barik of Berhampur and Rajesh Behera of Chudapalli. Police said Rajesh Behera was involved in supplying the cough syrup while the other 2 were involved in transporting it. All 3 were produced before court and further investigation is now underway to trace the source and possible network links.